Urorege kamiti ya kunyabara micaara ya aruti a wira thirikari SRC yahota gukinyaga na twara na aruti ya wira thutha wa kwanirira ni mikurora weru mutaratara uria uhuthikaga urihi-ini wa marihi ma njoherera kana allowance. Muikariri giti wa Kamiti no Lyn Mengich arauga ni gukoretwo na wanangi wa mbeca cia muingi urihi-ini wa marihi maya ma njoherera kuri aruti a wira thirikari na uguo no muhaka mutaratara uria uhuthikaga marihi-ini maya urorwo keri.
If an institution then fails to submit the data, then it means that those allowances will cease to apply because they have not been properly advised.
Wabici ciothe cia thirikari ikiheo nginyagia muthini wa mweri turorete makoro maneanite maratathi ma kuonania marihi ma njoherera maria aruti a wira marikitie kwamukira gwikinyiria riu no gwitanywo ati gukinyiria mweri-ini wena mwaka ukite kamiti no nigakorwo iheanite mwerekera mwega uria ukuhuthika wabici-ini ici ciothe.
The Commission will then go through a process to review each of those allowances and give an issue advisory which will now set an advice on allowances going forward. That will be done by end of April next year. So those are the timelines in terms of implementation.
Aruti a wira thirikari ni makoragwo makiheo njoherera ya maundu ngurani ta ya ngari na nyumba. Mengich akiuga marenda gutigira wabici ciothe cia thirikari ni cigiririka uheani-ini wa kigiina giki.
At this point in time we don't have a figure in terms of what potential savings we are likely to have. That we will only be able to do that when implementation actually starts.
Wa kuheo maitho ni kuona kana undu uyu ni ugukinyanira gukiririkana rianirira ria kamiti no rigie micaara ya aruti a wira thirikari riana bateri urugari na njira nene guku bururi-ini. Ribotera Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Ngari wa Kamau.